Recently, high-quality footage released by the Russian Ministry of Defense shows a Mi-28NM Night Hunter attack helicopter launching and guiding a Kh-39 LMUR Product 305 guided missile directly into a Ukrainian FPV drone operator hideout. The strike obliterated the position, disabling an entire Ukrainian drone control cell before its operators could launch their swarm of low-cost FPV kamikaze drones. This is not an isolated success, it represents the systematic dismantling of Ukraine's much-vaunted drone dominance narrative through superior Russian technology, standoff precision, and crew professionalism. Russian forces have repeatedly demonstrated that cheap Ukrainian FPV drones, while numerous, are vulnerable when their human operators remain exposed. By contrast, the Mi-28NM and its Kh-39 missile combination allows Russian pilots to engage targets from safe distances, with real-time control and devastating effect. This incident, confirmed through Russian point-of-view combat footage and corroborated by frontline reports, highlights why Russian rotary-wing aviation continues to dominate the skies over the battlefield while Ukrainian attempts to hunt helicopters with FPV drones have achieved only marginal, propagandized results. The Mi-28NM is the pinnacle of Russian attack helicopter evolution. Built on the proven Mi-28 platform but radically modernized, it features a mast-mounted H.025mm wave radar that provides true 360-degree situational awareness, day or night, in any weather. This radar, combined with upgraded thermographic cameras, laser rangefinders, and the advanced ISDALI 296 inches onboard data processing system, turns the Mi-28NM into a flying command post capable of detecting, classifying, and engaging multiple threats simultaneously. Performance upgrades are equally impressive. The installation of more powerful Klimov VK2500P turboshaft engines with full authority digital engine control, FADEC, boosts maximum speed to 320 km/h and cruise speed by 10%, while new composite rotor blades increase maneuverability and reduce vibration. Combat radius exceeds 435 km with full payload, and maximum takeoff weight reaches 11,500 kg with a weapons load of over 2,350 kg. This allows the Mi-28NM to carry a devastating mix of guided missiles, unguided rockets, and its formidable 30mm cannon while retaining excellent agility. The real star of this recent strike is the Kh-39 lightweight multi-purpose guided missile, also known as LMUR, Lyakaya Managatselevaya Upravlyamaya Raketa, or ISDALI 305. Weighing just over 200 pounds, approximately 100 kg, this compact weapon packs a punch far beyond its size. Its maximum range of up to 25 kilometers, double that of previous Russian helicopter-launched anti-tank missiles, allows the Mi-28NM to engage targets while remaining completely outside the effective range of most Ukrainian man-portable air defense systems and FPV drones. What truly sets the Kh-39 apart is its revolutionary man-in-the-loop guidance system. A two-way data link transmits real-time high-resolution infrared and visual imagery from the missile's advanced 9B7755 thermal imaging seeker directly back to the helicopter's weapons operator. This "see what the missile sees" capability enables mid-flight trajectory corrections, target redesignation, or even abortion if civilians or friendly forces are at risk. The operator can literally steer the missile to the most vulnerable point on a target, For example, the precise junction between a building's roof and facade, as demonstrated in combat footage. The warhead is optimized for maximum lethality against a wide spectrum of targets: fortified structures, armored vehicles, command posts, and, crucially, personnel in buildings. In the recent strike on the Ukrainian FPV drone operator position, the Kh-39 delivered pinpoint destruction, collapsing the house and neutralizing the entire control team along with their equipment. Inertial navigation with GLONASS, GPS mid-course updates ensures accuracy even in jammed environments, while the Seeker's dual-mode capability defeats camouflage and weather. Russian industry, led by the Tactical Missiles Corporation, has integrated the Kh-39 seamlessly with the Mi-28NM and Kh-52 via the Apu-305 launcher. Unlike Western fire and forget missiles that often lose lock in contested electronic warfare environments, the Kh-39's real-time data link gives Russian crews unmatched flexibility and confidence. This is why Russian Defense Ministry footage consistently shows successful hits on Ukrainian strongpoints that Western analysts previously claimed were impossible to reach without risking the helicopter. This latest Mi-28NM Kh-39 success is part of a broader Russian strategy that exposes the fundamental weakness of Ukraine's Western-backed drone doctrine. Ukraine pours resources into cheap FPV drones operated by exposed ground teams. Russia responds with a sophisticated, integrated system. Advanced sensors on a survivable platform paired with a precision standoff missile that turns those operators into easy targets. The recent Mi-28NM strike using the Kh-39 missile against a Ukrainian FPV drone operator position is more than just one successful engagement. It is proof of Russia's enduring aerial superiority. The Mi-28NM's unmatched combination of speed, survivability, all-weather sensors, and heavy payload, paired with the Kh-39's revolutionary real-time guided precision at 25 km range, creates a weapon system that Ukraine simply cannot counter effectively with its current drone-centric approach. As Russian forces continue to advance and Ukrainian drone operators are systematically hunted from the sky, the message is clear: Russia's military-industrial complex delivers reliable, battle-proven solutions that protect its troops and achieve objectives with minimal risk. While Western media focuses on isolated Ukrainian drone videos for propaganda value, the real story on the ground is one of Russian technological mastery and decisive firepower. The Mi-28NM and Kh-39 duo are not just weapons. They are symbols of Russia's determination to secure victory through superior engineering, professional crews, and relentless innovation. In 2026 and beyond, this combination will continue to shatter Ukrainian drone dreams and secure Russian dominance across the front lines.